Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen and many more. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar for 17th March 2021. So this analysis is for 17th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 18th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now, here I need to write US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD, CAD. Okay, so right now we can see that market is trading at 1.2468. Okay, and right now market is trading at the support zone. Okay, we can see that right now market is taking support at this price level. After this fall, market went up a little. Okay, then market was in consolidation. Okay, there was no trend on the market, and after the market fell again. So right now, after taking support at this zone, market is again taking risk. So we are not sure how the market will react. But one thing we can see very clearly that market is not bouncing off from here. Okay, there is not much buying pressure we can see. We can just see that market is simply taking support. Okay, there is no reversal sign as of now. So what should be a strategy there? So first strategy is let's wait and watch how the market reacts. If it goes up, okay, if it goes up and hits this 50 moving average, you can see that I have written 50 MA in resistance 1. Okay, if market goes up and hits the 50 moving average, just observe how the price reacts. In case it gets in case the price gets rejected from above, okay, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level beautifully with good amount of volume, then we can be sure that 50 moving average is not a valid resistance. In that case, we will be waiting for the market to hit this level 1.2736 resistance 2. Okay, then we'll be looking for shorting the market opportunity. So if market goes up, uh, breaks the 50 moving average, then we will wait for the market to short the market here if the price gets rejected from above. Okay, so this is the strategy if market goes up. On the other hand, if market slips from this level, in case if market slips or breaks this particular support, then just wait for 2 to 3 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that selling pressure is still present in the market, the sellers are still dominating the market, okay, then you can short the market below the support level 1.2440. So in case market breaks this support level, then this support will become the resistance, and then you can go for a selling. Okay, you can short the market here if market breaks this level. By looking at the condition of the market, we can see that right now market is flat. Okay, so there may be some volatility in the market soon enough. Okay, so if the volatility comes towards the downside, short the market, and in case it goes up, okay, wait for the market to reverse from the resistance. Either it can be resistance 1, the 50 moving average, or resistance 2. So this is how you can trade on US dollar, Canadian dollar for 17 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist and please do subscribe. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck.